Let's talk artificial intelligence. Will AI replace real estate professionals, mortgage professionals, salespeople in general? The real estate agents that use AI will replace the agents that do not. That's what we're going to talk about today. Artificial intelligence, how can you can use it to grow your business, your career, your sales, your marketing, how you can use AI to get exponential. Let's go. Captions.ai is fantastic. There's many other programs like this. So I don't think it's going to be the way that you see in science fiction movies necessarily, the creepy stuff. And we are experimenting here using it for marketing, sales calls. I definitely do like the authentic feel. I definitely like the authentic feel of human-to-human interaction. We're deciding right now 100% how we're going to approach using AI for sales calls. So we're right across from the Amalie Stadium. It's game day today. Tampa Bay Lightning take on the Toronto Maple Leafs. Drop in the comments below who you think is going to win. Let's talk AI for real estate professionals, mortgage loan officers, title reps. So if you're not good at working the Facegram or the Insta-chat, just kidding. If you're not good at working right now on Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, I don't get it. Doesn't make any sense. Okay, well, can you still do AI? Yes, absolutely. In fact, Henry Ford had this saying. I think he said he doesn't know how to do he doesn't know almost anything related to a vehicle. You know what he does know? Who he can call that can help him do it. Sometimes in life, that's what you got to do. You got to focus on your strengths. I don't think you're going to get a programming degree and learn AI to that extent. But what I can tell you is I think what you can do is there's a few apps out there. Again, one of my favorites is very simple. Let me give you the most simple example I can. Captions.ai. What does this program do? Number one, it's going to help you do subtitles in your video. Why would you want subtitles in your video? Most people watch videos with no sound on because they're at work or some other place. So with the captions, at least they can still see what's going on in your video. Now, it also puts some music on there that's content free. You literally can pick the genre, anything. You want happy hip hop or do you want sad country? You can pick any, it has emotions, it's really interesting. Then it adjusts the music up and down when you're speaking. It's really cool, it's unbelievable. I need to see if they have an affiliate program, I'll drop a link. I don't know if they do. It's not what this is about really. With that being said, Captions AI, you can also, if you do swear, you can choose to edit yourself or not. I don't know if in the future it'll be like that, what was that movie, Demolition Man? We used to get fined so many credits for swearing. I don't know if it'll be like where when you use AI in the future, it'll have to edit you. I think right now it's optional, so that's kind of cool. It will also, what else does it do? So you've got subtitles, you can move them around, different fonts, everything, different colors. What else does it do? You can also do with Captions.ai and some of this, all right, so yeah, again, one of the most basic things you can do with AI is some video editing. We might think sci-fi or some crazy stuff. What else it will do, you got background music, which does help. A movie, what do they do to a movie? They score the movie, it has a soundtrack, right? So you have a soundtrack. It'll help you a little bit with intros and outros. I'm not a big fan of those yet. Subtitles, music, and a little bit of editing if you want to cut out some stuff you don't want. I prefer, other programs for that, like Premiere Pro or iMovie. And here's the thing, imperfect is the new perfect. I don't think people want perfection anymore. A lot of these people that are, perfect in the movies, perfect in business, so we thought they were, and we find out that they're hurting people, they're hurting children, So anyway, I think it was Gary, would have been Gary Vaynerchuk, shout out, who said it first. Imperfect is the new perfect. Try not to get run over here. I don't think I'm breaking any laws. Let's wait for a few cars to pass. So AI, captions, music, video editing. What else does it do? Helps chop it up, get your intro. What's the other big thing? So I put on my words, you're good. The music. Yeah, so that's one of the most simple basic things. The pop-up photos. So what is very boring, I think, and what a lot of people think is very boring, is when you're gonna have like just you talking, and it's like just staring at your face. And if you have done like some crazy, like your eyes wide and you're all looking like a crazy person, you're like, oh my God, I need to look away from this for a second. So as it pops up the photos, which hopefully it'll do now, here, let me say some fun words. Chart, exponential, fun, real estate, mansion, Burj Khalifa, sexy people, fun people, mad people. So you can just say stop sign, green light, pit bull, not Pitbull the dog, Pitbull the musical artist. I don't know. We'll see what AI does with that one. We'll see what happens. It'll be interesting to see. Say what's up, man? What's up? How's it going, brother? AI. So the photos, yes. So we said Tampa, Miami. You know, anyway, whatever word you say, it's gonna look for a photo for that. So number one, it's gonna break up your video. So look, as soon as I started using one of these programs, I got calls from some friends and clients. They said, who's doing your video editing now? I was like, AI. In fact, I remember a girl, she's an agent, her headshot, her old one was horrible, her new one was amazing. I was like, oh my God. She actually looked better than even I thought was in real life. And I was like, who did your headshot? And she's like, AI. She's very reluctant to tell me. So AI can even make you look better, which I don't know, could be a good or bad thing, but I guess pretty soon, you know, I think we'll question whether a video or photo is real, because there are AI programs now where you can literally say something and hey, make me a video of this. In fact, I want to use it to make, yeah, there's some people making movies with it right now. They're sort of, you know, it's not the look and feel of like a Hollywood production, but you can make a movie, and I mean, you've heard it, you know, hey, write me a rap song about this, you know, as if Tupac wrote it, as if, you know, Snoop wrote it, or Juicy J, or whoever, your favorite artist. And so yeah, it's very interesting. It's gonna be interesting to see where it goes. Right now, if you just wanna play with it on a basic level, shoot a video related to your industry, throw it in there, just play around with it, and screw it up. That's the best thing you can do, is screw it up. Here's Harpoon Harry's Crab House. Comes highly recommended by some people. Looks like there's some people in here having a great time. So we're downtown Tampa Bay, right outside of Harpoon Harry's Crab House. Okay. Now, we're gonna be headed over here towards the Amalie Stadium. As you can see, even our tunnels here. I grew up in Pittsburgh. You're from Pittsburgh, Wiz Khalifa, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. But we have more bridges and tunnels than any other city. Could not do the full city walk today. And you know what? Here's what the real world, I don't think, will ever be better than AI. And I don't ever aspire to live in there. It's an interesting tool. That's what anything is. And a lot of people say money's the root of all evil. But you know what? They forgot the rest of the quote. It says the love of money is the root of all evil. Money's a tool that can be used for good or evil. And I guess we're gonna have to think about AI that way. It's gonna be a tool that can be used for good or evil. But I'll tell you what AI cannot compete with is the City Walk in Tampa Bay. Is this beautiful or what? Unreal. So if you live somewhere beautiful like this, you don't need as much AI or AI filters. I think just moving here just makes you more attractive, you know? So you gotta have fun. But yeah, I mean, can you imagine being able to just, you know, be able to walk down here, park, bike down here? Just absolutely beautiful. See how far we can go. And I don't think AI will ever compete with this view, the real thing. I don't see anybody else out here shooting content, especially in a long sleeve shirt and pants and some wingtips. Walking in my wingtips, you know? Woo. So, keeping it real. I don't know if AI has real life sweat yet. I don't think so. Be creepy. But it is beautiful. So recap, if you're a real estate professional, why are you not walking around making content? You should literally just be recording what you're doing already, having some fun, making some friends. AI's fantastic. AI is both fantastic and terrifying. But again, it's a tool, just like anything's a tool. So use it for good, not evil. Don't make any catfish photos with it either. As you can, this looks very Instagrammable here, right? Maybe we'll have to cut something out of this one here, right? Exactly. It's very, very Instagrammable. I've got people that love me in Tampa Bay, and also some of my biggest haters live close to here, so what are you gonna do? Again, we're gonna Riverwalk here, down by Jackson's Bistro, Weston. Amalie Arena is right over here, as you can see, potentially see. Mid-sized beautiful boats here. AI. I've totally forgot about AI because that's how awesome Tampa Bay is, so there you go. I can't even remember anything else because honestly, I'm just having too much fun, and actually I think I need some water to be hydrated. But so AI, real estate professionals, and build your own brand. Oh, yes, you want to be in it? Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, say your name and where you're from.
Hi, I'm Marissa Munson, and I'm from Maryland.
All right, MD. Like the DMV, what part? Baltimore?
Close. I'm like 30 minutes outside of Baltimore.
I know what the DMV means. I'm up on game, huh?
I'm Riley Griffiths, and I am from Knoxville, Tennessee. Go Bulls.
I love it.
I
You don't
was
know what
watching
DMV
the game.
means. You think the Department of Motor Vehicles?
I was gonna say that. What is
It's like the Delaware, Maryland, Virginia. The kids are calling it DC, like the DMV. What's up? I'm up on
I mean,
game.
that's
Sorry.
cool. I don't know. Where are you from?
I'm woke? No, definitely not woke. I'm awake.
Where are you from?
Where do you think I'm from?
Jersey.
I'll give you
I
some
was gonna
hints.
say Jersey or New York.
I'll give you some hints. So Wiz Khalifa is where I'm from. Black and yellow, black and yellow. Pittsburgh Steelers.
Oh,
We're in
Pennsylvania.
Pittsburgh, yes, for sure. But I get
We're
the
in
New York vibe.
Pennsylvania. And I was from Springfield.
Oh yeah, so Pittsburgh.
And my parents went to York, Pennsylvania.
Awesome. What brings you to Tampa right now?
We both just graduated from Coastal Carolina.
Well,
Sean,
congrats. So what brings you to Tampa Bay? You're just here having fun, celebrating?
Working.
Working.
Yeah, I'm working,
What do you two do?
We work for a staffing agency.
No way, like travel nurses?
She
Yeah.
does nurses.
Oh,
I do.
see, I have ESPN. That's how I knew that.
Yeah.
In fact, when it rains, I feel it in my boobs. I'm kidding. I have sisters. They made me watch Mean Girls. Are you with me?
Oh, yeah.
So you're working hard, playing hard.
work hard, play harder.
How much do you have to drink?
We've
A
had
lot,
couple
actually.
mimosas.
Oh,
Yeah. You taking an Uber?
Yeah.
Good job. Good
Yeah.
job. All right. Be
Don't
responsible.
drink and
I'm watching a Tennessee Bama game. We got Tennessee.
What's up? Uh-oh.
Yeah.
So,
What are you doing down here? Vlogging?
yeah, I'm making 3 videos in one. The first one's about artificial intelligence.
Okay.
Not in the creepy way. You know what I use AI for? I use it to edit my videos.
Okay.
So it used to take like three days and $300. Now it takes about 6 minutes and then $10 a month.
Wow.
So like this program I use Captions AI. It'll put the subtitles on the video. Why? Because she's into that game. Look at that.
Oh, she's into it.
I don't have
Sorry, no balls.
Yeah. People think it's creepy like the Terminator movie. I think it's just like it uses to put subtitles on my video. Most people watch videos with no audio.
Yeah.
You can put a non-copywritten soundtrack, anything from happy hip hop to sad country to anything in between. It does that automatically, and then you can, if you wanted to edit out swear words or not. Right now, it's optional to edit them. I think in the future they'll edit them automatically, like go to those dystopian movies.
Yeah.
And then what else is it? And then it like chops it up and does an intro, and yeah, like so your video's like almost ready to post within like a couple minutes. So it's kind of cool.
That's like, I'm a communication, like social media major. So.
You are. Are you ready to get exponential? Oh, thanks, ladies. Have a good time. Have fun. Be safe. There you go. Thoughts on Tampa Bay? Well, honestly, yes. I have to tell you. See, what emerges too when you take action, even though it's kind of wild and crazy and adventurous, is I had no intention of interviewing all these people today. But as you can see, that a lot of people are having a good time. They asked to be in my video. Get to the chopper. Get to the chopper. Get to the chopper. Pop quiz, where are 80 to 90% of luxury homeowners? They're on LinkedIn, not TikTok. Come on. Hey, check it. You guys having a good time? Yeah. All right. You like Tampa?
Oh, yeah.
Awesome. Have a good day, guys.
You too, man. Thank you.
What's up, man?
I'll watch you.
Yeah, it's exponential business coaching.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Awesome,
They-
guys.
They
Thanks.
already know you.
Thanks, guys. Have a good one.
You too, man.
Awesome. Okay, so they supposedly know me. Look at that. Getting the word out. At this point, I just want to walk around shooting videos all the time. I mean, people were being nice to me. Was that Jim Carrey? He said, be so good at what you do that everyone in the world shows up to you as the best version of themselves. So, I don't know. Pretty smart guy. So, anyway, Daniel Fleshman, Exponential Real Estate Results, Exponential Business Coaching. Remember, 1% improvement per day can literally give you exponential results. Get out there, use AI as a tool. That's all it is, just like money is a tool. If you're a real estate professional, get out here, make some videos. If you don't live in Tampa Bay, what are you doing? Move to Tampa Bay. Are you ready to get exponential? Let's go. Are you ready to get exponential? Boom. Thanks, guys. I appreciate you. I'll try to tag your business, man. Thanks, brother. Are you ready to get exponential?